In this quick guide, we're diving into how to track payroll compliance with Deel, a powerful platform that simplifies global payroll management for businesses. Whether you're a freelancer, a global HR manager, or running a business with remote teams, Deel gives you the tools you need to make sure you're staying compliant with payroll regulations across different countries. Deel's payroll tracking feature lets you ensure all your employees are paid correctly and on time, and it helps you navigate the complex regulations that come with hiring in multiple jurisdictions. With Deel, you can automate payroll calculations, handle local tax requirements, and make sure you're fully compliant with all the ever-changing global laws. To start, Deel's system is designed to keep things simple. When you first set up payroll for your employees, Deel will ask for all the necessary tax and compensation information, including work location, tax status, and preferred payment method. This ensures that your employees' wages are calculated accurately, taking into account their local laws and any deductions they might be subject to. What really sets Deel apart is the platform's built-in compliance monitoring. For example, it'll alert you if there's a compliance issue, like a missing tax form or outdated labor law, and offer you the tools to resolve it quickly. This way, you don't have to worry about constantly staying on top of global payroll rules yourself. Tracking payroll compliance with Deel also means you have access to expert support, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Deel's team of experts is available to ensure that your business meets all local tax requirements and payroll laws. With their help, you can easily generate compliant payslips, handle benefits, and ensure that each payroll run is error-free. Now let's talk about the security aspect. Deel ensures that both your business and employee data are securely handled with bank-grade encryption. When managing global payroll, data security is crucial, and Deel's compliance with GDPR and other privacy regulations makes it a top choice for businesses looking to operate in different regions without risking any data breaches. One thing I really appreciate about Deel is its ability to generate reports for your payroll compliance. You'll be able to access clear, comprehensive reports that can be shared with your finance team or even auditors. This is especially helpful when it comes time to file taxes or prove that you're meeting local legal requirements. To track payroll compliance effectively with Deel, it's important to set up automated reminders and notifications. You'll be able to receive alerts if there are any potential issues, ensuring you can quickly address them before they become bigger problems. The platform allows you to stay proactive with compliance, which can save you from costly fines down the line. So if you're a business owner managing a remote team, or if you're looking for an efficient way to handle payroll compliance, Deel gives you everything you need to make sure you're paying employees on time and staying compliant with global payroll laws. Plus, it's a great tool for scaling your business globally without worrying about payroll headaches. And here's the best part. If you want to try Deel for yourself, you can get started completely free by clicking the link in the description below. You'll also get exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. If you're interested in tracking payroll compliance seamlessly, Deel is a great choice. Try it today. And remember, you can access an extended free trial by using the link below.